Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 to $5,000 per hour with this one method and make money online just literally just clicking on a few things, okay? So it should not take you more than an hour to make this kind of money. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, so I recently did a video on this, very recent, but this is going to be a part 2 of that because there is another way to earn on this website, and I want to show you in a separate video because this is going to be even more involved and there's more things I want to show you. So squad help. In the other video that I recently just did, I was looking at the contests and it was about, making money from coming up with names for companies under the contests. But you know what? There's actually even more ways to earn if you were to go to names for sale. Okay, if you do this, you can make big money. Okay, so for sellers, so for those who haven't seen my other video or know about Squad Help, this site is about where business owners or new business owners and people who are creating a new business want to come to Squad Help for naming their businesses because they don't know what to name it, and they come to here to get help from people like you and me to name their business. Okay, so one way was to, like in my last video, I was showing you how they have contests about naming their business. So people could actually just come here to buy a name and domain from you for thousands of dollars. Okay, so it should not take you long at all to come up with domains and names with the tools I'm going to give you. Okay, so just hold on a second as I keep going here. But I want to show you the amount of money that you can make with this. So let's go here and you go to popular names, let's say. Okay, names for sale, popular names. And if you come down here, look at the pricing. This one's even crazier. This is almost $12,000. Okay, you could sell this domain here for this name for $15.99. Look at this, $18.49. Look at how much people are selling. So you could really make a lot of money here doing it this way, okay? So how can you do this? I'm going to show you right now, okay? So you got to go back up. It says for sellers, and you could do sell your names. So here you sell your domains on world's #1 naming platform. Maximize your exposure by reaching thousands of prospective buyers every month. Beautifully presented. All names are curated by Squad Help branding experts. Also submit your names to hundreds of naming contests every month. We deliver more sales with a combination of significant marketing investment, branding experience, and smart technology. Our platform delivers higher sales in relatively short time frame. Right audience. So basically, this is actually one of the most sought after websites that people go to buy domains and buy names for new businesses because they actually have the most contests and the most of everything. So that's why they say here that, their platform is going to find the right audience and everything, because this is the most widely known site to go and get a new business name. So you're going to have high exposure. You could participate in naming contests, and you can get complimentary logo design. So you don't even need to design your own logos. All the names in our premium domain marketplace receive eye-catching logo design from our professional creative designers. That's very interesting that you don't even need to make your own logo. But I'm going to show you something that you can make money with this anyway. And then transparency and trust. So you have 0 hidden fees. Of course, there's going to be fees when you actually sell. But right now it says there are no listing fees, no withdrawal fees, no appraisal fees. You only pay the commission that is assigned to the name. Okay. So there's only a commission that you won't get. So that you'll be paying for basically out of your sale. And you could delist anytime. No long time locks. We want sellers to have complete control over their names. You can withdraw your names from our marketplace at any time by giving us a 7-day notice. Okay, so here is the commission and fees. So the higher your domain costs, the lower the commissions, because they will get a bigger fee because it's a higher amount. So if you are listing your domains at less than 2,500, they're going to take about 30 to 35% cut. Okay, so you just kind of price it however much you want to earn, like that. So I want to talk about how to get your names. Okay, so how do you get your names and your domains? So what you can do, I have this free tool here. It's called businessnamegenerator.com. You could find it at that URL, and what this is, and you could have this check domain availability for GoDaddy. This is how you can come up with different names for businesses, and you could register the domain and get a new name that is going to be that you own. So you could buy a domain for like really cheap, right? Anywhere from $10 to $20 a year, you could buy a domain. So let's say you want to do like a restaurant, okay? Like a name for a restaurant or a name for some kind of consulting company. So let's do consulting. Let's see what comes up. So you have over, oh my God, 9,000 names. So you might want to just kind of filter, you want to filter, maybe target a certain niche that maybe somebody would want to do for consulting. And so you might want to kind of cut that down so that you narrow that down so that you can easily get a name that's easy, But, consulting grand, but advisor nirvana. I mean, these could be for any type of consulting company, right? Consulting vision, consulting power, consult jet, consulting ace. So you could go through these and pick a name and see which one has a domain. You could click on these stars to save the names that you like and kind of go from there. So if you don't want to go through this way, another way to get domains is you could actually go to a site called Just Dropped. This website is called justdropped.com. Domains expire every day, right? And when they get dropped from the registration, from the registrar, then you are allowed to go buy them. But I guess these guys pick them up real fast from the registrars, and now they come out and sell it to us. If you register with them, you could get the list sent to you every single day, okay? So if you go to Daily Deals tab, right there, you can see what's available for today. And every day you can buy as low as $69. And sometimes they do go up to a few hundred. But if you get a really good one, though, it'll be good for you. Look, Pooch Daddy, that's a good one. Puffs, Puffs. So there's a lot of great names here, as you can see. For culinary justice, that is a great one for the cooking niche. So you could come here for domain ideas, or even buy these ones, or you can take these ideas and go to GoDaddy and make your own domain, right? So you can think of domains like this very quickly. I mean, within an hour, you could get a domain and get something listed on Squad Help. So if you take a look at the ones that are on sale right now, I mean, they are not that hard to do. I mean, you don't even have to do the logo. So you're just coming up with a domain name for them. And it's like very easy, okay? So that's why I say you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per hour, because it won't take you that long to come up with a domain name, guys. And you gotta make sure you own the domain, then you list it, and then that's it. I mean, that's how you can make these huge amounts of money. But you know what? It does take some time to actually sell those types of domains, and it does take a little bit time, but it's worth the time if you just, I mean, all you're doing is listing on there. You're not paying for any listing fees. You're not paying for the time it's on there, and it's basically free to start, because I just gave you free tools to start, okay? So you can use the business name generator and use the Just Dropped website to get you ideas. If you don't want to buy the domains on there, you could just buy a domain on GoDaddy, which is very cheap. It could be, I think it starts at probably $8 or $9 or $10. It goes up from there depending on what you buy. But it's just like, it's just a great way for you to make money, right? But it's, again, it's not consistent money, because you have no idea when the domains will sell, unless you have, like, if you list so many that you could get a few sales every month. That'd be awesome if you could have that many domains listed on here. So it just depends on how many domains you have on there. So if you don't have a lot of domains, you're not going to have consistent money. So if you want to learn how to make consistent online money, then you should check out this link right here, in this video, and also link it in the video description if you want to convenience to click it in the video description. It will be over there as well. It's going to be one of my best ways to make money online using a business model just for online, and you can use this business model to make consistent passive online income, and that's how I make money, and that's why I want to show it to you as well. Okay, so check this link out and I'll show you everything that you need to know and move forward to a better business model than making inconsistent money, because you can really make consistent real online income and make a full-time online income using this business model. So I hope you check it out. Okay, again, it's also inside the video description. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and if you haven't already, why haven't you already? Please subscribe to my channel and learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I hope I'll see you on the next video, guys. All right, bye.